Hello, you're with Nature in the Wild. This week, we're gonna be in the plains. Now, the plains are a treacherous place where we may find many things. So for maximum safety, we're not gonna wear shoes. So our traction will be maximum. Let's go. Oh gosh, no! That was a mistake. Ow, my body. We have successfully ran down that hill. Now, we must find the tree of destiny and see what lurks within it. Let's go. Where's the tree of destiny? I can't. Oh, let's go. We have found it. Luckily, looks solid enough. Now, we must enter using the only thing that I know how to do. Hello? Tree. It might be still asleep from winter, but there's leaves. So it's probably on its phone, not paying attention. I guess we'll never know what's on the inside. Let's go. Now, I heard of some ancient ruins nearby that could save us all from the impending asteroid that passed us 3 million years ago. Let's go. It appears we have found the ancient ruins. Now, if you look, they're red. You might think they might not be red. The reason they are red, because they're blended with the blood of our enemies. They're stained with the blood of their enemies. Now, I'll describe to you what these ancient ruins were used for. As you can see here, if you're going inside, hopefully this isn't cursed. If you go on the inside, this wheel means that it used to be a ship. So this was a transformer. Now, we must go further into the darkness. As you can see here, the blood has been smeared over the top. You would think this would wear away over so many years, but no. This has to at least be millions of hundreds of tens of ones years old. Almost impossible to see. As you can see, this is probably a chamber for which you slide down, you gain superpowers, and you fly off into the heavens. Let's try it. It appears its oldness has taken its power away. But unlike that, this is the ancient ruins. But we must continue on our journey. Well, I have an idea. Let's go back to the ruins. Because teleported to the heavens was broken. There's one thing that would not have corroded over time. This thrusts you down into the bellies of the earth where there's diamonds and gold. Now obviously, I'm expendable, so you shall go first. No, I'm not joking. I believe in you. Now go. Gerald! No! Are you okay? Oh, your face. We might have to cut this short. I need to take our cameraman, Gerald, to the hospital. This has been Nature in the Wild. Okay, maybe making shoes was a mistake. There's pricklies on the ancient ruins. Okay, ow. We're gonna have to take Gerald and myself to the ancient hospital, which was remodeled, so it's a new hospital. This has been Nature in the Wild. Remember to subscribe. Stay safe out there. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Nature by